My God, looking so nice, huh?
সাপ যাচ্ছে
কোথায়? ও ভয় কারো আরে my God, see. One snake.
ওই দাদা এই দাও কি যায়
সাপ দেখো, সাপ, সাপ.
Oh my god. This is
My God, a snake.
little snake. Little, oh my god, this is a little snake. I don't know what to do.
I'm taking the video right now, okay?
দাঁড়াও আমি তোমাকে কিছু করাইছি
Now the thing is that if we have come to a better place, so we should be very, very happy and excited, right? And why am I taking this? Okay, just let me make it. You take it, no problem. Why am I making this video? Because the memories will never die. We will die one day, but the memories will never die. And the place, it looks like we're in Amazon basin. Okay, as you guys can see, a lot of people, they're also rowing boat behind us. Great, feels like we are in the largest rainforest of the world, as you can see. This journey made the day. Einstein said one beautiful line: if you're confused, frustrated in the claustrophobic environment of human beings, that time try to find out the peace in nature, because when you just go deep into the nature, you find the way, you find the solution to all the troubles, problems, sufferings of the real life. That's why I chose this beautiful place. যাই হোক, আমি একটু বাংলায় বলি।
দাদা ওই কর্নারটা দিনে চলো না একটু
ওখানে একটা আসার সময় চলে আসবে
ওকে ওকে
এখন
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, হ্যাঁ, এই যাই আসার সময় দেখবো।
দাঁড়াও না আমরা
Oh
দেখো
my
অল্প
God.
ব্যস্ত চলে আসছে তুলতে দাও না আমাদের জার্নি শেষে যোগ কিছু ফটোই তোলা হবে
ভাই আস্তে আস্তে চালাতে হবে, হ্যাঁ। ও মাঝি রে अपना किनारा नदिया की धारा है ओ माझी रे साहिलों में बहने वाले कई किनारा हो যে ভাই আমাদের নিয়ে যাচ্ছে, ঠিক আছে। ওয়াও, কিন্তু হাতটা না মনে হয় কি ভাঙা আমার, এমনভাবে ক্যাপচার করছি। ওয়াও, সানসেট। হাউ আর ইউ ফিলিং?
It is very
This is the first time experience that together we are rowing in a boat that is Gajal Doba. Bhai, what's your name? Naam ki jani tor? Shankar Roy. This brother is very nice, very, what to say, like very happy, right? We are having a great time and all credit goes to this boy, okay? He's very talented just because he's rowing the boat. Anyway, we will leave the place after some time, but these memories will always be there. Okay, I'll capture this video, I'll put it in my computer, and sometimes when it will be time to post, I'll also post in the social media describing the place. And you guys, if you really want to feel the mental serenity, always walk away from the madding crowd, the pleasure and the happiness. সারাটা সপ্তাহ আমরা শিলিগুড়ি শহরে থেকে একটা ক্লাস্ট্রোফবিক এনভায়রনমেন্টে এতটা টায়ার্ড হয়ে যাই, তারপরে thanks God we are living in Shiliguri. It's very close to Gajaldaba, and we are here today, Sunday morning. This is the Sunday afternoon. We are capturing this amazing beauty, a beautiful landscape, and setting sun. Also looks like orange setting down the horizon. Can you see? I cannot show you that sun because it is not visible right now, but feeling really amazing. Thanks for a beautiful memory. I'll never forget this. Peace and happiness. We should always chase for these two things. You know why? Because these are the things that money cannot buy. Okay, ultimately the purpose of earning money is to be happy and satisfied in life by fulfilling the desires, right? So no matter where you find the happiness, invest your time over there. That's why Sunday evening I've come to this beautiful place and rowing boat, see, in the lap of nature. It's very worthy to come out. And I also paid 200 to this little brother who is just rowing this boat. You can see. Maybe আমি একটু দিকে যাচ্ছি না তো সুন্দর করে, এই তো জায়গাতে আসছি আমরা। ঠিক This is the place I just came last time during the pandemic. Before the pandemic outbreak, I came to this beautiful place with my friend Rashid. And that time the boatman was different. It was the elder brother of this little boy. Shankar, right? Shankar, okay. Shankara like Bholanath. He Shankar means Bholanath. Wow. Can't zoom in. I'm going to stop.